These common PC mistakes are slowing your computer and wasting your time every day. Let's fix them. First, too many browser tabs. Go to Task Manager, then Browser. Each open tab uses system memory. Close the ones you don't need. Next, not using clipboard history. Press Windows plus V. Windows already saves what you copy. Use this to work faster. Next, notifications everywhere. Go to Settings, then Notifications. Turn off what you don't need. Want a part 2 with more fixes? Drop a comment below and subscribe for quick PC and app solutions.